The main ingredient of our pakoras is vermicelli or semiya. For this, we'll take 1 cup of vermicelli. We'll heat 2 cups of water, add 1 teaspoon of oil in it and add vermicelli into it. Let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. After that, drain out the excess water and keep it aside for cooling. Once cooled, into the vermicelli, we'll add all other ingredients. So firstly, we'll add half a cup of corns. You can take frozen corns or fresh corns. Into this, we'll add half a cup of chopped onions to add to the crispiness. These are chopped vegetables. I have chopped cabbage, carrot, beetroot in a chopper and then you can add it. So basically you can add any other vegetables of your choice. To make it more colorful, I am adding these curry leaves. Instead of curry leaves, you can also add coriander leaves. But curry leaves gives a very distinct flavor to these pakoras, so I am using it. Thereafter, for binding, we'll use gram flour or besan. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of besan. Along with it, we'll add 1 tablespoon of rice flour or chawal ka atta. So basically, depending upon the requirement, we'll increase or decrease the quantity of besan and rice flour. We'll add little water to it to bind the mixture well. I will further add 1 more tablespoon of gram flour in it. And then to this, we'll add salt as per taste, little red chili powder, garam masala. You can even add chaat masala to it. Now just mix the mixture well. We will check if the mixture is holding its shape. So we'll prepare a ball or fritter like this. And yes, our ball is ready. So likewise, we'll prepare all our fritters or vermicelli pakoras. Here I have prepared all my vermicelli pakoras. Just look at it, how colorful these pakoras are looking. Now you have an option of deep frying these pakoras, or you can even bake it in air fryer. However, today I'll be cooking these pakoras in my appam pan. So heat an ape pan with little oil in each cavity and thereafter we'll place each of these fritters in it. One can even add 1 to 2 drops of oil in between so that the pakoras cook evenly from all the sides. Once the pakoras are cooked from one side, we'll flip over these balls in this manner. This way it will take approximately 10 minutes to cook these fritters in ape pan. Just keep flipping these pakoras in between so that it is crisp from all the sides. It's been 10 minutes and our healthy non-fried crispy vermicelli pakoras are ready to serve. So you can see it was so simple to prepare these pakoras. Just keep your vermicelli ready and you can prepare these lovely vermicelli pakoras anytime during the day. These are quite crispy from outside and you can serve it with coconut chutney, green chutney or tomato ketchup. The taste is super awesome, crispy from outside, soft from inside. You will really like the taste of these pakoras. Firstly, in a bowl, we'll take 1 bowl of chopped spinach. You need to simply wash it and chop it. Into this, we'll add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of grated potato. This is raw potato and not boiled one. This will help in binding the mixture well. Into this, we'll add 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. And then goes 1 tablespoon of rice flour or chawal ka atta. This will make our pakora more crisper. Into this, add chopped ginger, other spices like salt, red chili powder, ajwain, which is carom seeds, cumin seeds or zira, turmeric powder along with coriander powder. And now we need to mix everything well. Do not add water because when the vegetables along with salt and spinach will combine together, then it will release water. I will add little more gram flour to bind the mixture, and into this we'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Now combine it well until we are able to hold the mixture well. If you feel that there is need to add more flour, you can add either of the flours, but do not add too much flour, otherwise it will make the pakoras dry. Now you can see that the mixture is binding well. It's time to prepare pakoras. So you can either deep fry these pakoras, but today we'll be opting a healthier way. We'll be air frying it.
So what you need to do is simply preheat an air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, and then into this we'll take small portion of our prepared mixture and we'll just drop it in the air fryer basket. You can even grease the air fryer basket or lin it with a parchment paper, and then you can put these pakoras in it. Now we'll air fry it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until these are crispy enough. In between, we'll also shake the pakoras once. And here you go, our pakoras are ready. These are crispy enough, and you can serve these pakoras with your favorite chutney or tomato ketchup along with a hot cup of tea. These are healthy, guilt-free pakoras. You will surely enjoy it. So do try out the recipe.